Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many Americans start thinking seriously about social security movement that turns 62 after decade working. The idea of finally receiving a monthly check can feel like relief. But before you claim early, it's important to understand actually what are giving up, what you can realistic expect to receive. So what is the maximum social security benefit age 62 in 2026? According to the Social Security Administration, if you claim retirement benefit it 62 in 2026 and you earned the maximum taxable income for social security over your career, the highest monthly benefit from you can receive $2,969. This number is very specific and very few people qualify for it. To receive the maximum, you must earn from above Social Security taxable wage limited at least 35 year. In 2026, that wage limit $1,84,500 and income above the amount does not increase your future Social Security benefit. Claiming is early has a lifetime cost. When you claim Social Security at age 62, your benefit is reduced forever. For most people, that means about 30% cut compared to waiting until full retirement age. Your fully retirement benefit is called your primary insurance amount. That is when you get if you wait until your full retirement age, usually 66 or 67. In 2026, maximum benefit for full retirement age about $4,152 per month. If you wait until age 17, up to $5,181 per month. Wait longer means bigger checks for life. Your earning history matters. Social Security looks at highest 35 year for earning adjust for inflation. If you worked favor year earned less, your benefit will be lower. Working after 62 can help. If you keep working after claiming 62, higher income yearly can replace lower ones. That means silent increase your benefit, but the early claiming reduction stay forever. So should you can claim at 62, this maximum benefit 62 is 2026 is about $2,969 per month. This is right choice depend your health, income needs and long-term goal. Final thought, claiming early gives money sooner but less for life. Understanding the now can you help future self feel more secure. And thanks for watching this video.